Hey everybody, just making a quick video. This again is another SPY review. None of the levels have changed. I just wanted to show a trade that I actually got into yesterday. Expiration date is tomorrow. I may exit it today because it looks like it's up pretty well. This is the 4-hour chart on SPY. This 568.38 level, which is a weekly level, and I have a zone here at 568.36, 566.68. As you can see, as it was coming down, as soon as it got under this particular level, it started to reject, large reject, all staying here within the zone. It did pop above, but eventually it dipped below, and then huge reject right here on, what is this, April 2nd. April 2nd, just a huge reject. So come to now, as we come over, this is the 4-hour chart, so I'm just kind of trying to show a chart with less noise in it. This was May 1st, Thursday. This is May 2nd. And then this was just yesterday's date. And you can see that another reject here on May 2nd, which was Friday. And then yesterday, a reject. And we are in this great area is the pre-market. So I'm in this trade and I want to show why I got into it. I was actually watching on the 1-hour chart. And what I had noticed early in the morning yesterday pre-market is that there was this previous day low from Friday where it gapped down in the weekend and just kind of was hanging around this level. So what I was looking for was for this to pop up into this level that has been rejected multiple times over that I've just shown, and then fall into our level down here at 554.50. 554.50, 555.45 is a zone that I have down here. My ultimate target would actually be to go down here, but sometimes I have some trouble holding on to trades for that long because I really am a scalper, but sometimes I take the longer swing trades. This is the 1-minute chart, and again, what I had seen pre-market. This is how initially I was looking at it. A lot of dancing around that previous day low, 562.38, and then it pops up. I will say I entered a little late. I'm normally a break and retest trader. I love those types of trades. This was just a straight reject. And the reason why I was on the hour chart is because it carries more weight. So I should have just believed in that. Even on the 15-minute chart, I actually had a trade up here, a limit order. I had a limit order yesterday, but it didn't hit. And as it moved away from my limit order, I guess I started to feel a little bit of fear in regards to like getting in and being way too far away from the actual best entry point. But I did eventually get into the trade, and that's it. So yeah, I just wanted to show that a quick review, and the market's going to open up in about 20 minutes here. All right, the results are in, the trade is closed, the market is closed. I just wanted to add the recap to the end of this particular video before I post this. So let's go straight into the charts, and I'll show you my entry again and my exit. All right, so this is the entry on May 5th on the 1-minute chart. My exit was immediately when the market opened. I can show you that actually. This is from Thinkorswim. I entered on May 5th at 12:44 and 48 seconds. I purchased a put at $1.50 and sold it at $3.61. TradeZella, that's 138% return on investment. That's a pretty good return. Like for myself, because I'm more of an intraday trader, scalper, 100 and anything is excellent. So I had to exit. Also, I do want to touch on one thing. This was not a break and retest, which is really my bread and butter. I love the break and retest because it's very simple, easy to follow. That's about it. It was a good trade, but I just wanted to touch on this that this wasn't my bread and butter. I'm not normally trading on the 1-hour chart, but because my levels were there prior to the market being open, I seen this great setup. So that's the recap. It was a good trade, winning trade. TTP trading is that's what I'm all about. Trading the plan, trusting the process, tracking the probabilities. I did make a video on the 5-minute opening range break and retest, and I'll be posting that shortly. If you guys like what I'm doing so far, just please like and subscribe. Appreciate you. Thanks. I'm out.